today we're doing it a little bit different. We are out and about, and I wanted to show you some of my favorite spots. Okay, but because we're gonna try it out for the first time, so let me not say my favorite, but some of the really cool spots that you can find in Paris. If you love Japanese food, I'm gonna let you know me and my Asian food. So I just wanted to show you guys this place. It's really quite awesome. It's called Nico what? Nico Ramen. So I love my ramen, so I'm gonna check out. I'm gonna see if it's worth the hype, because to get in here, wow, it took us an hour to get in. There's a queue for that, but I'm guessing if there's a queue, it means it must be really good. So let's see what it's all about, and I'll show you all the yummy food to enjoy. Let's go. Bye. Here's the drink. It's a Pink Blossom, and oh, this looks so good. These are gyoza. They look so yummy, and some fried chicken. Yeah, it's really nice. It starts anyway. So guys, we just finished dinner at Nico Ramen. It wasn't bad. I mean, it wasn't the best ramen I've had, but I loved the gyoza that they had. Oh, those are so yummy, as well as the chicken. All the starch was really good. In terms of the ramen, not the best, but I had sake for the first time, and that was fun. So maybe you should come try that if you're willing to stand in a line. I'm not sure, but it was nice. It was a nice experience, and it's very authentic, like in terms of how it looks, and the people are really nice. It's a nice place to be. In terms of the ramen, if you're like a ramen specialist, I don't know. But we did enjoy it. So anyway, just wanted to let you guys know. On to the next one. Zami, Sava, hope you guys are doing well today. So I just wanted to start off this video here at home because it's a bit dark outside, so I'm not sure how the lighting is going to be. So I'm just going out with my boyfriend. We normally do this on the weekends. We tried new different restaurants, and because we both think of such foodies, you know, so literally what we do is we'll choose a restaurant like every time somebody has a week for their chance to try out something new. So today it's his chance, and we're doing French. I just wanted to show you what French food really is all about today as well. So last week we did Asian, and today we're doing some French. So I mean, you know, trying out new things. You're gonna show you what you can and cannot eat in France while you're here. So anyway, I do hope you guys enjoy this. I forgot what the name of the restaurant is, but I shall put it in the description bar. Don't worry. And if you do want to know more about what happens in France, in Paris specifically, where to eat, where to go to the best spots, come to your girl. Your girl's gonna show you. Just subscribe to our channel and join the family. And when you do decide to come to Paris, or you just love just seeing the life in Paris, then you know where to come to and you know what to do when you're here. Or if you just want to just see how we live in Paris, just join our family, and we'd love to have you here. Anyway guys, let's go and have some dinner in a very French Parisian restaurant. Toodaloo, au revoir. So we are back. We're now at the restaurant. It's a very nice restaurant. It's relaxed. It's really quite cool. I don't want to show the side. I'll show you in the pictures. You can see what it looks like. It's a French restaurant. It's called L'Artisan. It's called L'Artisan. So yeah, just ordered our meals. I'm having escargot because when in France you have snails, and also obviously we have the soup, the onion soup. So I'm gonna show you all the delicious food. Don't worry, I got you. And stay tuned for some more stuff. Yay!
Où est la soupe à l'oignon?
Pardon?
Demande où est la soupe à l'oignon.
Oui, c'est ça, je me demande s'ils se sont pas un peu trompés, peut-être.
French onion soup. Normally it comes with bruschetta in the middle with some cheese, and we have all the onion goodliness over here. So let's try some.
Avec le cœur au fruit de la passion. C'est une tarte au café avec une pâte. Et ça, c'est un Paris-Brest classique.
So would it be a French restaurant if you didn't have a cute dessert? Patisserie anyway. So I'm gonna try that. Have some patisserie from French patisserie. He's having, okay, I'll show you.